Alright, hello interwebs. I'm trying a different setup here just for this video because it's the only way I can figure out how to do it, and hopefully this comes through. Yeah, so it's coming through. So using this is kind of an addition to the circle of fifths, and the only thing I'm going to be using is the key of C major, which is the F C G D A E B, or A B C D E F G. Those are the notes we'll be dealing with. All the white keys. So if you don't know where C is on a piano, it's anything that is this key. So right next to C sharp. So you got C, 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 and then there's another one that I don't have enough fingers to press. I guess I could do it with my nose, but I'm not going to do that. So basically what you're looking at with the key of C major, you've got C major, then you remember how I said you go from C, D, E, F, G, A, B, and you follow it in that weird pattern. So if you've got C major, and just watch the keyboard down there, this is D minor, E minor, F major, G major, A minor, and then B diminished. That's the whole scale. That's the whole key of C. Now you can add little things here and there, like, if you want to do a C major 7, it always sounds good, and then a sixth. Those chords sound good, but I mean, you have to learn these scales. It's the easiest way. It's the easiest way to do this. If people say, "Oh, learn your chords, learn your scales." If you learn your scales, you'll learn how chords are built, and then when you're writing your own music, you'll be like, "Oh, well, I know what that is because I can go through and say, okay, well, there's the first, there's the third, there's the fifth, and there's the sixth." So that's like C6 or C major 6. I don't know the name of the chord because I don't study that part of it, but there's a C major 7. You know, and you can do much more complicated chords on a piano. This is just a one-handed, you know, I'm just using one hand. I'm not doing like bass notes. I mean, I could do like, which it sounds good because I'm adding extra bass notes to it. But that's basically it. C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. But that's all there is to it. And I watched my video and I kind of saw that I missed something, and I think that was it. Uh, but I made this song all in the key of C, and some of you may not like synthwave. It's not mastered and mixed properly, but I think it sounds pretty good. I don't know what it's called. Haven't really named it, but welcome to listen and definitely enjoy it. Oh, 623 uh, unsuspecting, unlucky people have subscribed to this channel. Thank you. Uh, keep doing it. Keep subscribing. And if you keep subscribing, I can quit my regular job and do this full time, and I can make a video like every day or every 2 days for you. I like doing this. I don't have the time anymore. In fact, I really don't have time to be doing this right now, but I'm doing it because I like to help you guys, and especially if any of this stuff helps you, then it feels better than my normal job right now. So, because I don't help anyone. But yeah, that's it. C major, D minor, E minor, F major, G major, A minor, B diminished. If you use any of these keys combined for a chord, I don't know what that is. I don't know what that is. But there's nothing harmonically terrible about it. I mean, you're not doing, and that actually sounds good, that as a chord. But my point is, if you put C, G, and D, it sounds good because they're all in the scale. And then if you want to add an A minor in there, that's the relative minor of C, so you know it's going to work. And see, this is just me pressing keys. You know, it's the same thing for a guitar. It's the same thing for all music. Those are just notes that go together. Um, I, I was just blindly pressing key. Well, not blindly. I was looking at them, but I was pressing keys, and it didn't sound horrible. But anyway, as I said, I'm trying to keep this video short. Enjoy this little clip that I made, all in the key of C. I didn't use any sharps or flats. Just I could have. I started playing, and that's what sounded good. And it's not a complete song, so be gentle. Anyway, 623. Thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe. Bye.